Very good morning to all of you. In the previous classes, we have discussed about various things such as motors and its applications, and the types of motors, and what is the importance of induction motor, and the working principle, construction, and the torque equation. So these are the things we saw in the previous classes. So this class we can discuss about torque slip characteristics of induction machine. Okay. So as we have discussed in the previous classes, torque which is related to rotor EMF, rotor current, and power factor and the slip. Okay. So but this class we have to find the characteristics between torque and slip. So before we are going to step into this class, I just want to ask you a few questions. We are all studying the characteristics like speed torque characteristics and current and voltage characteristics and voltage and load or speed is something characteristics we studied in our laboratories as well as theory classes also. Why we are all studying those characteristics? Do you have any ideas? What is the purpose? We have to relate each characteristics and find the relation between two variables. Do you have any ideas in this? Anyhow, I will tell you the answers. If we want to control, if we want to control the speed, or if we want to analyze the data of particular parameters, then we need the characteristics between some one variable to another variable, because in induction motor torque is a major thing which is able to produce the speed. So once the speed is that means shaft speed is rotating some constantly, it may able to produce a better efficiency. Okay, that is what we are in the situation to find and relate the characteristics between each and everything. Okay, so in this class we have to find um, the relationship between torque and the slip. Okay, so before we are going to see a slip and torque characteristics, we just simply refresh the previous session. That is slip. What is slip? You all know that that is a ratio of difference between synchronous speed and rotor speed to the synchronous speed of the machine. That is what S equal to ns minus nr divided by ns. That is what slip. Okay, in that I already told you that synchronous speed is constant. That means synchronous speed means rotating magnetic field of the stator, that is always constant depending on the input supply of the induction machine, but speed of the rotor may able to change. So due to that only the slip is also varies. Okay, so how that slip is varies means based upon the torque. How I am saying this, torque is varying, or torque is varying with respect to slip means we know that slip is equal to ns minus nr divided by ns. In that ns is constant, nr is variable. Am I right? So nr rotor speed is variable due to that of torque. Okay, so torque is varies, nr also nr, that means rotor speed is also varies. Once the rotor speed is varies, slip is also varies. That is what the characteristics. Okay, so just we'll go to the topics. That is torque slip curve of induction motor gives the information about the variation of torque with the slip. The slip is defined as the ratio of difference of synchronous speed and actual rotor speed to the synchronous speed of the machine. So here the variation of the slip can be obtained with the variation of the speed. That is, when speed varies with the slip will also vary and torque. Okay, corresponding to the speed will also vary. Here that is what I explained. I explained one more time also. Um, slip torque. Okay, in between one parameter which is relating both the things. That is what speed, because slip is depends upon the rotor speed.